It's a little chilly in the shop today, so I'm heating it up a little bit. This thing won't take no time at all. That should be better. I had it on macro. Heats the shop up in about 5 minutes or so, and then I can shut it down for a little while before I got to kick it back on. It's got a thermostat on there, but it's easier to shut it down. What I'm working on today is my buddy and customer has a door that goes into his bathroom. And it was made out of particle board, and it's all puffy on the bottom, and he really doesn't want to replace the door, so I'm going to replace it with this piece of sheet metal here. Right here you can see I got this laid out over here, and this center mark here is where the door goes, and I got to bend these up and cut this into where I need it. I asked him, I says, you got a choice of this color or the other side of the sheet metal is dark brown. They decided to go with the dark brown because that's the way the door is stained. But I get this cut out, and I use my cheap Harbor Freight nibbler. Pretty soon I'm going to have, it's pretty well worn out, the dies on it. Pretty soon I'll have to buy dies. But this will work for this. Alright. I thought maybe some of you guys would like to see this nibbler in action, so I'll just take a short video of that. That's just my rough cut. I gotta use a straight edge on that so I get a nice clean cut. Alright, here's the piece bent, and I had to touch it up with a little bit of brown paint because I had a couple little scratches in it. But that'll fit on the bottom of that door, and everything will be fantastic. You'll be happy with that, because that was all puffed out and it looked terrible. That'll straighten it up.